Did you know that essential oils can be great for your skin? Essential oils are highly concentrated vegetable oils extracted from plants. Depending on the plant they come from, essential oils can have different functions. That's right, they are incredible. There are many types of oils available, and when combined, they can bring synergistic benefits among them. In cosmetic applications, essential oils aid in the manutention of the skin. Because they are highly concentrated, you absolutely can't apply these oils directly to your skin. The right way of using essential oils is by adding a small amount of them to natural vegetable oil, moisturizer, masks, or clay. If your skin is dry, bet on patchouli, chamomile, jasmine, and rose oil. But if you are on the oily side, go for lavender, sandalwood, cedarwood, cypress, sage, or anything with an astringent and drying action. If your skin has spots, Vevitur works as an anti-inflammatory and is the most indicated oil for lightening dark spots of melasma, chloasma, and general hyperpigmentation. Frankincense oil acts as an antioxidant, fighting free radicals and premature aging, which slows down the appearance of skin spots. See how to use your essential oils for each case. Facial massage. Choose a carrier oil. The best oils for skin are coconut, argan, and rosehip. Get 0.17 ounces of a carrier oil, more or less 1 dessert spoon, and add 2 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix thoroughly and apply on your face. Massage for a few minutes and let it act for 10 minutes. Rinse your face after. In facial creams, take 0.7 ounces of your favorite moisturizer and add 5 drops of your favorite essential oil to it. Store the mixture in a dark bottle and keep it in a dark, dry place. In facial masks, make a paste with clay. Add 2 drops of your favorite essential oil, then mix thoroughly. Apply the mask to your face with a brush. Let it act for 15 minutes, then rinse. Remember, 5 drops of essential oil is the maximum dose allowed in any homemade mixture you will make for your skin. It is always better to do an allergy test before trying any of these recipes. Dilute a drop of the essential oil you want to use and apply it behind your ear. Wait a week to see if there are any irritations in the test area. For the essential oils to work, the treatment needs to be frequent. If you want, you can also mix essential oils. So, did you like learning more about essential oils and how to use them on your skin? Do the test, try these recipes, and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.